2019 Lincoln MKC. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, active suspension system, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights, heated front seats, rear window defroster, trip computer, security system, compass, power windows. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.